What's up friends, and welcome to this video. Friends, I will show you how you can cancel your membership on SoulGen. As you can see here, open your profile. If I go to account information, guys, on the setting I didn't see any directly cancellation option. So all you have to do, friends, you have two options here. You have email and Discord. You can contact friends through this Discord. Just click Discord and click continue with this Discord, friends. And from here, you should be create a ticket to request your cancellation option. So guys, click creation request and then write your request in here to cancel your subscriptions, or you can create a ticket from here and then write your ticket, a new ticket, guys. Click get support, create ticket, and then write your cancellation process from here. All this Discord, all you have just contact through this email, guys. Discord, click email here. From here you can email him through this one. Write here subject cancel membership friends. Write your request here and write your reason you want to cancellation here and click just send option. Write, for example, a simple message to your cancellation. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content.